Monday morning, and because of such a busy weekend, I have to do all of my weekend tidying of the house today. I often get asked how I do my daughter's curly hair. So here I'm just going to show you. I take a water bottle and I fill it with water mostly, and then I squirt in some Tresemme conditioner. It leaves the hair really, really soft after being dry. And I must mention that the night before, when I wash her hair in the tub, I leave conditioner in it and I comb it out and I braid it, so when she sleeps it's braided and there's no tangles. Then I put hair product in her hair section by section as I'm spraying it and combing it out. I use different things like Kinky Curly and Shea Moisture products, and in this case the Cantu product. I will either use a curly hair custard or a gel or a hairspray to keep the frizzy part of the front of her hair back, and as an overall to keep the curls curly as long as possible for the day. When folding the laundry, I usually sort out the clothes, and then the kids are responsible for putting their own things away. This morning, because I have so many different things to do, and I also want to take some time to set up some activities for their history lesson, I am setting aside their individual work for them to do independently while I'm making breakfast and doing all these other things.
After having the dirt, they used to go and watering the little tree, but no, because it was already there.
Check off language arts.
Language arts is
to LA.
I'm excited for getting that answer.
Oh, jeez.
Or any pet.
What else?
Eating pumpkin seeds.
In order to make reading time fun and enjoyable for my 6-year-old, I make her a cup of hot cocoa every time it's time to read. And she just got a new bed with a really cool little area underneath it. She hooks up her headphones that she just got to her Alexa, and then she puts on music from VBS this year or from Disney songs that she really likes, like from Annie, and she will listen to them and then turn the music down and read her books. I'm really loving these Usborne books that are based off of life science. While the kids are keeping busy and being productive and doing all of their independent work, it gives me a chance to sort through my book basket and all of the things I have for our Playful Pioneers, which is based off the Little House on the Prairie series, and just gather some things together to make the lesson fun for them today. I will post a link in the description below of the things that we are using, as well as a book to an Usborne store. I always do groceries online, and I shop from 2 different stores. I shop from one store for all of my produce and lunch meat, and then from the other store for everything else. So as I'm putting things away, the kids are still working. They're allowing me to get so much done today. Guys, I am like a week away, hopefully, from getting furniture for this room. We've been here for a while and we still haven't furnished it, but we did order the sofa that's finally gonna go here. So many things I want to do to this room. I cannot wait to have it my way. All I did was the entrance, which you saw this morning. My table is constantly packed with homeschool stuff. This china cabinet was left here. It's gotta go. I'm trying to get rid of it, but for now I'm using it. Because the shelf that I want, we have to put that order in. It's going to take a few weeks, but I'm using it right now. I'm going to eventually clean all this up. Half of this is for co-op where I teach tomorrow. So this is like, I'm still preparing for my science unit, but I'm going to start storing stuff in here so the table can be empty so we can have family dinners at least 3 days a week. I ordered 3 chairs for here, but we might have to get at least 1 more. Nala, what'd you do? What did you do? What did you do? Why are you hiding? Huh? Why are you so guilty? Huh, puppy? Why are you so guilty? What did you do? What did you do? What did you do? Hi, Selena. Okay, so, and we ordered the 2 end chairs. And then I gotta get rid of these curtains, get rid of the blinds. There's so much I want to do, but I'm grateful to be in this home, grateful to have a home, and grateful that we have the time to furnish it as we like. So anyway, I'm just dying to get my mess taken care of. Let's see how these guys are doing over here. Okay, so Aaron is doing his independent work for the good and the beautiful. He was a chapter behind, so he's reading 2 chapters of his reader today. Then we're going to do spelling dictation together. He's going to read this to me. He's got to answer these questions. Okay, this is her independent review. I'll check all the answers after.
This is the winner.
Great job, good girl.
The highest number.
Oh, you got a crown. Very cool. I'm going to give you the stars so you can do your logic puzzles, okay? Okay, so this is my daily planner schedule. This is what I wish it could be. That we could be done school by 1, but it hasn't happened like that since I've been doing school month, so we're gonna keep working on it. And this is like the block schedule, just like an overview. But I am going to use this to at least check off the lessons that should be done. You want to go outside? Yeah. You too? Don't pee in my patio. You hear me, you two? You go out and play and get some sun. Oh, I have to move our plants into the sun. Alright, so I've really been wanting to get in the pool. Aaron, can you give me a towel? A dirty one? If there's any in the... It's kind of cold, but it's not too bad. It's been raining non-stop. Oh my gosh, my plants have already been in the sun. That means they've been getting too much water. Oh, look at that. My expensive pineapple plant. We bought this pineapple plant and this grapevine from Walmart. I know it's probably not the best place to buy things, but I want a container garden. But if I can't keep 2 little plants alive, and they were expensive. Let me take care of this situation here. In your laundry basket? Okay, so we do morning time over here on the floor. Eventually it's going to be moved to the room where I'm going to get my new sofa. I'm praying that I can get a carpet without the puppy ruining it. And so we are doing the Peaceful Press Playful Pioneers, which is based on the Little House on the Prairie series. So today we're going to read this chapter, Mr. Edwards Meets Santa Claus. We're going through this book called Pilgrim Voices, Our First Year in the New World. It's like a journal of how things were when they were traveling here the first year. So we're doing living history this year. And then as we're reading the Pilgrim Voices, my son will fill out these 2 questions. What was a wagon train? What was its purpose? And what was life like for children on the trail? So that's his little history section. While they're doing history, they're doing handwriting too. These are both Aaron's. I gotta get Aaron's. Aaron, is this yours actually? This is yours, okay. Aaron is doing cursive and he gives a break to do drawing today. Oh, he did it already. That's cute. I thought it was like their drawing. And then Arlen wanted to do cursive, so I got her the handwriting without tears, because I believe that when you're first beginning teaching a child to write, whether it be print or cursive, handwriting without tears is the best there is. That's my opinion. So she's going to be doing that. I have a little notebook here where I have a planner, but I just really like the plain notebook because I have the space to write what I want. So I planned some of the day out. Then for laying down the rails, we're going to work on kindness, being kind to each other. Who thinks that's a good lesson, being kind to each other? Huh? Go back where you were, little girl. That's a good lesson, right?
Yes.
What do you think, Aaron?
Yeah, for everyone.
Okay, then we're going to read Show Your Joy, which is based off of Philippians 4, 10 and 21 from the Day by Day Kids Bible, and talk about that. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Come in, so our friends can see your beautiful, handsome faces. Come here, baby.
And pretty.
Beautiful and handsome.
Why didn't the pigeon cross the road?
Because can't move, it's not live.
Yeah. Because I can't move.
The days were short and cold. The wind whistled sharply, but there was no snow. Cold rains were falling day after day after the rain fell, pattering on the roof, the pouring from the eaves. I needed to stop for a second and make myself an active drink. It's 1:50 p.m. We've got to finish morning work, and then we still have a bunch of things to do, and my energy is going down. So I'm gonna make myself an active, keep it with me. I may or may not need to drink the whole thing. Whatever I don't drink today, I can put it in the refrigerator for tomorrow. Here it is. I meant to show you mixing it, but I'm just poured it into water. I bought this bottle for my Plexus things. It just makes me want to drink it more, and it tastes really good. It's mango flavored. And Aaron just made some hall passes. Aaron, next time you leave, you need a hall pass.
No.
So even though the day started off really productive and the kids were doing great, kind of went downhill after that. So I had to stop recording. We had a little bit of attitudes and heart problems that I had to deal with. So I'm making lunch in this clip here, and after that we get back to just trying to finish up a little bit of the school day. We didn't get everything done, but my day definitely did not end here. It was a very, very long day. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching. This is real life. Things happen. Sometimes you just got to cut school short. I will see you guys in the next video.